Hello guys, sharing to you today the C benefits of walking. C like S-E-A.
Hi everyone, good morning. So we are here sa park, Chacon Park. It's 5 minutes away from our house or apartment, and we are walking every day here 30 to 45 minutes. It's very important that we walk either in the morning or in the afternoon at least 30 minutes a day. For these are the benefits. Number one, I call it C like the ocean. C benefits of walking. Sunshine. It's very important as well that we get sunshine in the morning, not the afternoon sunshine. However, today it's a bit gloomy. I think it rained yesterday. So, sunshine, that is for us to ma-release ang ato ang vitamin D. Dili ang sunshine mao'y mohatag og vitamin D sa ato. Siya gyud murag tao no. Ang sun shines para mo stimulate sa ato ang vitamin D sa atong lawas. Mo na magamit dayon nato siya. Sunshine. Number 2, C like the ocean, S-E-A. E, exercise. Your body exercise when you walk, even just walking like small simple lang walking or brisk walking, makakuan siya sa imong system, mag-circulate imong blood, maayo ang imong pagginhawa. And important, kung gusto yun ka ma-change imong lifestyle, gusto ka matulog og sayo, importante nga kung mahago ka, di ba? Ang atong notion is mahago ka, kapuyan ka, katulgon ka. Ang science behind it is mo increase ang imuhang melatonin hormones. Mao na siya cause sa to nga sayo ta makatulog. So dili actually nga hay gikapoy ko mamutulog ko, kung dili ni increase ang atong melatonin. Mao bitaw na nga naay tambal nga melatonin nga sleeping pills. Okay? So E, exercise. And lastly, air. Pagawas na mo ganina, fresh kayo ang air, especially kay nag-rain kagahapon. Air, very important. Labaw na karon kay no daw polluted katong environment. So we have to be one with nature para maka-breathe ta og fresh air. So remember, C, S-E-A. Sunshine, exercise, and air. All right, see you later. Come, join me. Come on. Okay, to ha. At least 30 minutes a day. Kung dili kaya magdagan, walk lang. Okay ra. Diba dear? Pinkay siya oh. Yan na siya. Yan ang t-shirt iha ni. Okay. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walking in the light with God. Mabasa to ko. Gihanga ko. Sige. Bye. Bye-bye na. Wani ang park diri na. Nami sa middle sa park. We're hoping open ang Memorial Park kay mas gwapo dito. But diri mo ni tawag nga Chacon Park here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Wala kayo tao karon. Kay like again, nag-ulan kagabi. But look at these trees. Excited ko ma-fall. Ma-fall. Mag-fall. Na-fall naman ko. Ano niya? Mag-fall. Kaya kani. Mag-change na rin colors sa ng trees. Yes. So na show green grass of home. But this is not my home. Heaven is my home. Right dear? Mura dyan na yung tubag. Hi, we're going for an afternoon walk today. We're going to the park right over there. Yes.
And so we do morning from 8 to 8:30 or 8:45, and then afternoon from 6 to 6:30 or 6:45. It's good that we do walk at least 30 minutes 30 minutes a day for circulation, warm our body up, especially if we're sitting all day or, you know, sedentary lifestyle. We need to be active, you know. And yes, I'll show you the park later. Bye. Okay, so we are already here at the park. So when you walk, do not wear a mask because you need to breathe. Inhale, exhale. It's okay as long as you're far from people. So there, na nag-party. Look, nag-picnic sila. Nag-barbecue sila. That's so nice. You know. Umot ka yung barbecue. May baby Q. Hi lang. Wala akong baby Q. Ito barbecue. Kung diri. Siya gyud ang naga-encourage sa kuha nga mag-walk. Because if it's not for him, I'm not gonna walk. I'm lazy. Pero siya, permijud, birahon jud ko pagkapunta. Kailangan matik sa iyo. Kailangan pagkahapon mag-walk. Siya ang ako ang motivator. Champ. Thank you. Kung maniwang ko, kung may healthy ko, I owe it all to him. Yeah, what do you say? You're welcome. Yes, like I said, health conscious kini siya. So, siya pag-prepare sa akong food. O, diba? Sitting pretty ako dito. That's why I need to work hard sa paniwang. Because I'm always sitting. I have a sedentary lifestyle. So, I need to be active. Siya, kay kabarber ko na siya every night. Yes. Ako, YouTube every night. Alright, so this is a park right here. See that? Yes. It's a football field. Football field. Yep. Okay. We're done. Naka 45 minutes me of walk. Lagi. Ano ito kaya na eh. Mga nangat-kat din ng mga batan-ong oh. So, abot na mi. Naman na mi lakaw. 45 minutes. I know. It's really good. Ito mga bata raman na. Nay. Tanaw na to unsay mga kababalaghan nga ipangbuhat ani mga bataan ni diri sa likod namo. Nangatkat man. Anaaman day gate diri there. Ay, sumpay siya sa likod nga gate day there. There. So bye. It's good oy. Good na maka 45 minutes exercise food. Walking. Dili naman init. So it's already 6:50 na. Hi, I'm so tired. Sige. Pero tambok yapon ulo. Bye. And naapakoy pagkapin tayo sa dandelions. Dapat slow-mo ni, pero makoy slow-mo at this time. But anyway, mo to siya benefits of walking. S.E.A. Sunshine, exercise, and air. 30 to 45 minutes a day will do. Enjoy walking. Stay healthy. Bye.